So let's start. Maybe I'll start with Mantasha today. Hi, Mantasha. May I have your review, please?
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to review my project. This was an analytical project focused on examining insurance claim data to identify patterns, discrepancies, and gain insights. Initially, the data was provided in an Excel file. My first task was to convert the Excel file into a SQL table. Once the data was converted, I began my analysis and identified multiple discrepancies, such as invalid policy numbers, junk elements in the property damage column. And additionally, I also discovered there were some suspicious claims where there were no recorded property damage or bodily injuries, but there were claims taken for the same. So I highlighted these issues to the stakeholders, and we were instructed to make two key changes. The first one was to replace the junk elements as yes if an amount was claimed for the property and no otherwise. And the second one was to delete the rows with invalid policy numbers. Once the data was cleaned, I proceeded with the development phase. The requirement was to build two dashboards with both the dashboards with different themes. So I went with the insurance claim dashboard and fraud analysis. For the insurance claim dashboards, I performed various calculations such as total claim amount, total capital gains, and total capital loss, etc. And for the fraud analysis, I included metrics such as total fraud reported and count of different suspected claims. After defining the KPIs, I received the confirmation from the client and moved forward with the development. For the insurance claim analysis, I was able to identify the top five vehicle manufacturers that had highest claimed amount for the incident using stat bar chart. I also performed a trend analysis of claimed amount on a day-to-day basis using line chart. For fraud analysis, I again performed a trend analysis of total fraud reported and total suspected claims over time. I was also able to filter out and identify policies that were highly suspected of fraud. I made use of advanced charts such as lollipop chart to display fraud reported by auto manufacturers. So throughout the development phase, the client requested some on-the-go changes, which I was able to incorporate. These included implementing tooltip visualization for more granular information and adding a navigation functionality between the two dashboards. Both the dashboards were highly interactive with multiple filters. I also implemented row-level security to restrict access based on auto manufacturing companies. This project was a great learning experience, allowing me to explore advanced features such as tooltip visualizations, advanced charts, etc. I also appreciate the support from my team, who are always available to help when needed. I give special thanks to the project manager for guiding us and the Scrum Master for helping us to solve our queries. I successfully completed all the tasks. After project completion, we conducted unit testing and got the approval from the QA and the UAT. And finally, we were able to deploy the project to the production environment. Once again, thank you for this opportunity to review my project.